¿Cómo es y este?
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell from the title, my desk came and I'm going to have to build it. For this video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be decorating it and organizing it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and let the time lapse begin.
¿Cómo es y este? Ponle.
Okay, we just finished, but my dad's concerned of it being too high, but I'm sure I can find chairs that are high enough for it. So there it is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating. Okay, I just finished adding in the decoration. These two white baskets, I got them from Target. This jar, I got it from, where did I get it from? I got it from the dollar store. Pencil holder, I got it from Walmart. This whiteboard, I got it from Target. This picture frame, I got it from Target. This vase, I got it from the dollar store. Those fake flowers, I got them from Walmart. This little boat decoration, I got it from Target. This little sea turtle, I got it from the dollar store. And that faith sign, I got it from the dollar store. This candle, I got it from Target. This oil diffuser, I got it from Target too. And this jar vase thing, I got it from Walmart. Did all the decorations. Now I'm going to add in my things and my pencils and my journals and stuff like that and start organizing. I just finished. This is how it turned out. I tried obviously going for a like beachy vibe with the decorations. Here are my markers and my Sharpies. I put my colored pencils in this little cup. Here are my whiteouts and glue. This, my sister gave it to me for my birthday. Here are my journals. Here I put my pencils. This jar, we made it a long time ago. Those emoji things, it came with my Polaroid camera. I put my pens in here and little things that I need to use right there. Some more markers and highlighters in here. And yeah, that's basically it. I still need to get my chair. So yeah, that's the whole desk right there. Okay, so I'm completely finished setting up my desk. I love how it turned out. I hope this video gave you guys some inspiration on how to decorate your desk or how to set up your desk. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.